Good evening, everyone. Welcome to LANREX Academy. Any first time are coming across my channel, please do as to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you won't miss out any update. And don't forget to like and share this particular video to friends and family. I also appreciate those returning viewers who are coming back to watch my videos and those are supporting this channel with their engagement and every other thing. So in this particular video, I'll be revealing this particular app to is called GoLogin, and I'll be explaining how to navigate the whole app, and I'll also be explaining how to use this particular app for a very long time. So for us pay without paying anything, we are going to use it for a very long time, and we are going to access all the advanced, all the paid version there. So I need you to just sit down and just watch these videos very so you can understand the whole process, or less if you skip any part of this video, you might not understand the whole process and you might miss out something. So let's get started. Now the first thing I'm meant to do whenever you want to start with this particular app, this GoLogin, just go to your Play Store and download GoLogin. GoLogin, GoLogin. So this is the app. So this is the app, GoLogin. So just come to your Play Store and download it. So now this let me just explain some things about this GoLogin. This GoLogin is a very unique app that makes you create different workspace, different cloud on just one device and manage it from there. We all know you know cloud phone now. Whenever we want to create a cloud phone, you have to connect a proxy with your cloud phone to make that particular cloud phone being like a device that is in that particular city we are connected. Like if I want to access some site, or let me say app that is in London or UK, we have to connect a London proxy to that cloud phone. So whenever you enter the cloud phone, it will be like a phone in that particular city or country we are connecting to. So that's the exact thing that this GoLogin is all about. But the difference between this GoLogin and those cloud phones is that this GoLogin is called anti-detect browser. They are just only for browsers. Anything you want to browse, just for browsing. You cannot interact with apps, you cannot download apps. But for cloud phone, you can download apps, you can interact with website and every other thing. But this one, it is just only browser. That just private browser. And this private browser is not that you have to go and be changing your full setting, maybe changing it to no, everything is being no configured in that particular browser. So there's nothing for you connecting, just like exactly like your cloud phone, just acting exactly like your cloud phone. So now let me explain how you are going to. Now if you should sign up now, whenever you download your, if you sign up with your Gmail, they will give you 7 day trial. They'll give you 7 day free trial. So at this free trial I give you, it's not like you have to connect your card, maybe your credit card or maybe something. No, you just give for free whenever you sign up. Now when I sign up, they give you this 7 day, you can access all anything, but I think the amount of profile you can create something like, I think four or five you can create. That's the maximum you can create for just that free trial. Now let me tell you how you are going to maintain this free trial for a very long time. Let me just say it, you are going to pass this all this you are going to bypass all this kind of maybe paying for the subscribe to the paid version or this thing. So these are the, whenever it was 7 days free trial, whenever you have already you have used everything, your 7 days free trial, the next thing you are going to do is that you create a new Gmail. Exactly, create a new Gmail, they now sign up again, they'll give another 7 days free trial. So that you're going to be doing, they transfer your profile, just take your proxy, configure it to the next profile, just sign up your proxy, you configure it. So I'll explain how to configure your proxy also in this video. So just make sure you watch the video, just keep watching. So you configure your proxy, all your details, transfer it there. So when you are finished again, you keep transferring, so that you use for a very long time. There's no stress there. All you just need to just log in, configure your proxy, then just input all your details back into that profile, then you continue from there. So that you using instead of you, because if I just show you that subscription now, if I just show you, can you see that subscription for annual is $4.5 per month. So you have to calculate $4.5 times 12, so you have to calculate. That's the amount you pay first payment. It's not that you pay for no, you $4.5 times 12, that's the amount to pay for annual. For monthly is $9. Can you see, it's very expensive. So for you to be using the free version for a very long time, so that's the method you're going to follow. Just keep creating Gmails, so and you just keep switching your Gmail, so that's how to use it. So it's those of that are getting cloud phone, if you are working with all this kind of tasks that deals with sites, so this one will work best for you. So none of you go and buy any cloud phone or buying it, so this one is very okay for you to use. All you can see, I have like 3 profiles now created. Now I'm maintaining everything from just this same device. All I just need to do is just enter one I want to use. There's not maybe we turn on any VPN or proxy, or changing my phone setting, or the listening advertising, or any all those stuff to just bypass those fingerprints. No, I'll just enter and do whatever I want to do. So next thing, I'll be explaining how to create our profile. Now, if you want to create your profile, you must have your proxy. You want to connect. So I'll be using LANREX Academy for the. You can put your name so you differentiate from one profile to another. So LANREX Academy, so that's what I'll put there. Then the operating system, so just use that Android. Those that if you want to use, you can use if you have a PC, you can use a PC for it. So you can use Windows, Mac, or so that one will bring like a just that one now be like it's just like an RDP format. So for this one, we're choosing Android because I'm using an Android device. So this proxy, I'll choose your proxy because I want to impute my proxy, not GoLogin proxy, not without proxy, because you can only use it without proxy. So make sure you follow these steps. So you click your proxy. So now this type puts auto, leave it at auto. Now this one, now I'll be imputing my stuff there now. So this is it. Username, I'll just clear this one away. So you input your password. This is my password. Then you click on check proxy. When you click on check proxy, to confirm if everything is set, can you see it? United Kingdom, what? So it's connected and it's intact. Everything, like, just leave it alone. Click on create profile. Can you see it? My profile is created successfully. Now if I want to enter the profile, now this is it here. Now this year doesn't mean anything. If you connect the Canada proxy, a UK proxy, a Germany proxy, it will still be showing US. But don't worry, don't mind that. Just come here, click on this play button. That's to start it. So I'm stopping that one. I'm starting this one. I'm launching this browser. Can you see it? Immediately I launch the browser, it will first show me all my details. Can you see it? All my details. Can you see it? The IP is, can you see, everything is intact. But if it's showing this kind of browser, Facebook, just go back, delete this one, log and create another one. It must be showing something like Chrome. So this browser is not okay. But if it's showing Facebook, delete this one, create another one, so you show Chrome. This browser must be showing Chrome. So to make everything very strong. So that's how you should create that's how to create multiple cloud phone and maintain it on just one device. So I hope this video is very helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video to your friends and family. Thank you. Bye for now.